Do not copy this trade, guys. Do not fucking copy this because you're going to overcrowd it. We're all going to lose. I'm doing this as an example. If I see people start copying my trades like this, when I show it, I'm not going to do it anymore. But use this as a learning opportunity, not to copy me, but to see how I trade certain strategies. So this is like a little scalping strategy I use. So let me see. Is it recording? Stop record. Okay. So what I'm doing here, guys, is today is is it Wednesday or Thursday? 9/27. I forgot the day of the week. It's Thursday, 9/27, September 27, 2018. I'm doing a quick live trading to show simple scalping strategies. This is very, very risky, but I saw resistance and some sellers at 370 line. And do not copy this trade. Do not fucking copy this trade. Seriously, if you crowd this, I won't show this again. But this is what you can do. I saw a big wall at 370, so I took a chance. 368 is my average on 10,000 shares. So I'm just doing a scalp. If I can get down to certain levels here, I'm gonna take a cover. You guys are fucking shorting this, but I'll kill you because we're all gonna lose. So this is the problem with crowded short strike. This is the problem with giving out your alerts to people. They're gonna copy and they're gonna fucking jam this shit up. And I'm probably seeing somebody who are haters in the room trying to squeeze me too. But I don't give a fuck. I only have 10,000 shares. I'm taking the loss if I fucking do it. This is a risky thing I'm showing. I hate showing this because it never fucking works when you show this. Because people were chasing, but my whole thing was there's a big wall at 370. And 371. I don't mind fucking eating that wall if I lose. So I've been sitting on this for a while, trying to do the recap. So I know there's some assholes in the room trying to fucking squeeze me too, but you won't squeeze me because I'm going to get out. I'm just going to lose $300, dude. That's not a big fucking deal for me today. I nailed every single shit today. I'm going to show you how to do it. See that? Some guys are, this is the problem with overcrowded trades. I was up on it. Now it's, people are fucking jamming it. And that's just why I keep telling you, do not fucking get into crowded trades. I'm showing this as an example of what to do, but I may not do this again because this doesn't really do anything. This is why I like to just do my trades and then educate you on the trade. Because if everybody goes in one direction, it's never fucking good. The key is for you to be self-sufficient and figure this shit out on your own. I thought I'd try something new today and it may not work and I won't do it in the future. So, I mean, that's it. So I hate doing these trades because people copy, people trade against other people, and just there's a lot of sinister shit out there, dude. There are rooms designed just to squeeze the shorts. They accumulate and they pump it to their sheep and all sorts of shit, dude. So the best way to learn is to learn on yourself, and it's an organic trade. Organic trades means that these trades naturally happen. They're not a fucking room pump. If they're a room pump, it's not natural, and so it's going to go back to the natural fucking line, right? So I see people trying to squeeze me on this shit. There's other rooms that, so I'm just using this as an example. Okay. This is why, so I'm just showing you an example. So you look at this example. What happens when people go, show me your trade, show me your trade. This is fucking what happens. You get some fucking crowded shit. You have people trading against you. This type does not work. And I'm just showing you an example now. See, before I showed it to you, it was going down. And all of a sudden now people are piling on. The reason why it doesn't work is this. Some guy chases a short at 365. He panics. He covers at 367. And it causes this ripple effect of people panicking. And it starts to spike. So now you see a big wall at 364 for him. You see that? See all this kind of shit? Some guy's trying to. So just by me showing this already affected the fucking trade. Because I have an influence. People have following me. We have like 700 people in the room. And even though I tell people, do not fucking follow this trade, I bet you there's some guys that are assholes trying to fucking copy this trade. And all you're doing is making all of us lose. And I'm not going to show you guys this again. It's just simple as that. Does that make sense, guys? And I just show you an example now. So this is a perfect example why I do not show any trades. It does not help anybody, guys. The education after the fact is more helpful than showing you the fucking trade. Some guys are trying to squeeze 370 right now because they know where I'm going to cover, see? So I'm just showing you exactly what it is. I put it out. I put the fucking trade out there, and look what happens. It fucking goes straight up because there are guys gaming it right now. They're trying to trade against us and all that. So this is why it matters that we do not ever fucking share our trades. We can share a strategy, a plan. I always give you guys my plan. I always give you guys the line. You make your own trades around the strategy. The strategy is not magic. I taught you how to do the lines. I taught you how to do technical analysis to do all this. Have I not? So you can actually start doing this shit yourself, man. You don't need me. But as together as a room, we can fucking understand and see. You see the bids come up now? You see that shit. As I talk, there's a lot of people laughing and shit, and like, but I'm gonna show you my other trades. The trades I don't ever show you. I fucking make money because this effect is not natural. Look at these bids popping up. This is probably the other guy's room laughing at us, trying to squeeze us. But that's why I say, do not fucking follow this trade. Do not fucking follow this trade. This is just an example of me putting this shit up. This is like putting honey out on your lawn and a bunch of ants fucking coming in. So these guys are all fucking scumbag loser ants trying to fucking like fuck with us, right? So just take a look at this. So I'm teaching you guys on this line. So once you learn this shit, the trading environment is great, dude. We sit around the room, we talk. So I'm telling you, dude, my whole vision of a community is like this. We help each other because the more eyes, the better. And I'm just showing you right now, before I start the recap, I need to finish this trade before I start the recap because I want to give back any more money than I have. So I'm using this as an education for you guys. This thing would probably have tanked if I had not shared this trade. The fact that these guys are seeing me and trying to game up on us to squeeze us. Now you see all of a sudden you see this bid propping, 10,000 share bid propping. You see all that bullshit game, guys? That's not fucking natural, man. That's not fucking natural. You see, I covered half of it. You see that? I just took the loss for you guys. So I have 5,000 shares left. I covered 371, like I said. That's fine. So my risk is fucking very mitigated. It's very small. It probably would have tanked. I probably would have made another $1,000, $1,500 on that scalp. You see how these scalps add up, guys? So when people ask me, show your P&L, I don't need to show my fucking P&L. There's no point. I'm teaching you the fucking right way to trade. If you want to see P&L, look at Alex. I had Alex show the P&L for a reason. You can see the potential and what you can do if you trade the right system. It's not even a fucking system. It's a matter of discipline. You see that? I'm fucking disciplined enough during the zombie hour to take the fucking small ass loss, dude. It's like fucking, what I lose, like $200, $150, which is like nothing. But if I was right, I would make $1,500. And it's still within the parameter. 375 is the stop, guys. 375. So I just gave out to the public. So whoever wants to see 375 is a big wall here. And this is simple stuff, scalping, which I fucking see. You can call it tape reading. You can call it what the fuck you want to call it. But you know what? I'm just using the lines. I'm feeling my, and see, now they're gaming it because they want to fucking squeeze us. I just show you exactly why you do not want to fucking show your trades like this. As a trader, just shut the fuck up and show it. I'm just doing this on purpose, guys, because I knew this shit's going to happen. And if it does, it's great. I covered that shit. I'm ready at $4 line. And they cannot break the 40 because that's the natural line. If it's a natural line, they cannot game at the natural line. They can game the in-between lines, which they are right now. This is the in-between line, guys. It probably cost me $400 showing you guys this lesson. So let's see if 375 breaks. But it's completely fine. We want this. So remember what I said, 360, 380, $4. But remember I said later on, I changed it to 370 because lines can change during the day, right? So I saw 370 as the resistance. So I came in under the 370 because there was a big wall at 370. So my average is this. And I would take these small losses all day long if I wanted to. It's complete. This is what you need to do. When you're learning, dude, taking these small losses, the risk reward on this is like, if this had cratered, it would crater down to here in the 350s. I would have made 15 cents on this shit on a 10,000 position. I mean, you can go smaller, whatever size you want. I'm just taking my scalps and showing you what it is. So I took a loss at 371, which is nothing. It's a haircut. If I wanted to, I can add it back here, but I'm just going to chill out because I don't want, I mean, everyone sees my trades and you see what happens. You guys just saw what happens. This is why I do not like to do these type of trades, and it just doesn't help. The only reason that these guys work because they pump this shit, they accumulate low, and it only works because it's a low float. This is exactly the strategy I did not want you guys to do. See, now they just gamed it up. It's fine. See, I took the loss on purpose for you guys so that you guys can see 380 line. Right, that 380 line here. So I mean, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna see what I did. I'm just chilling out. I'm willing to take the loss. I'm completely fine. And then the moment I stop showing people the trades, I guarantee you it's gonna go back down. And this is not natural because I think there are people that are trading against other people. This is why, I mean, it's a lot of sinister shit going on. And I don't do that kind of bullshit. I don't game. I don't fucking accumulate. I don't pump and dump that's not my style, dude. My style is the fucking natural trading. You never see me pump and dump. I don't want people even know what the fuck I'm in. That's real trading, guys. If you're in a fucking natural environment, you don't want people to know. The only reason people posting this shit on Twitter is to pump because they're already in that shit. And this is why most of these rooms are fucking fake as fuck. They're using the sheep to pump their shit. And then when the master comes out, you see them fucking stop tweeting all of a sudden. Or in the rooms, doesn't matter. But I'm just using tweeting as an example. It could be any method that they're doing to pump. In the room, tweeting, however the fuck, that method may be, right? If 380 breaks, it's completely fine. We want the $4 line. Come to Papa $4 line. I would have made money on this if I didn't show you guys. It's as simple as that. I'm pretty sure this thing would have tanked. And I just fucked everybody up who had a short on this by showing you guys this. But this, you know what I'm saying? So this is, you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I'm not looking at the chat room right now because I have to focus on these numbers. But you guys have any questions so far? I could trade in private and record it. That's a good idea too. I might do that then. That's a very good idea. Do shit in private. But you see why I don't do this shit like this. This doesn't really help anybody. Because people are fucking, even I tell you, do not copy my trades, do not copy my trades. There are guys that fucking trying to think they're making money. And they just fucking lost. Whoever copied my fucking trades just lost. So fucking learn your lesson. It's completely fine. I want you to learn this fucking lesson about crowded trades. This is your fucking lesson on crowded trades. If a stock is easy to borrow, fuck, everybody's trying to fucking short it. It becomes what's called a crowded trade. So this is exactly what a crowded trade is. I put up my fucking position. Next thing you know, you see all these fucking buyers' bids come up because they're trying to game it. Gaming meaning like fucking get into the game, like fucking manipulate and all this shit. You know what I'm saying? So you do not want to get in a situation of crowded trades. This is why the concept of a low-hanging fruit continuation play is so powerful. I love those plays when no one's talking about it because it's not crowded. It's a naturally trading thing. If everyone's going one direction, dude, it's fucking setting yourself up for failure. It's like the dumbass challenges you see on the fucking social media, right? Fucking Tide Pod challenge, whatever the fucking stupid shit. Kill yourself challenge. I just took the loss 380. It's cool. So now I'm done with this trade. And now it'll go down. Now I won't tell you what I did. And let's see what happens. I took my fucking shit out. You see that? I just fucking tricked the gamer. You see exactly what happened there? I stopped showing the fucking trade. So now people don't know what the fuck they're doing. Fucking love it. And I'm going to trade in private, and then I'll show you what I did. Notice what I did, guys. I had 368 average. Took the loss at 371, most of it. So I mean, it was fucking 3-cent loss. You know, no big deal. So let's okay. So while this trade is in motion, I will discuss ACH. Let me see. That's sucker. Let's see. The 380 line of IGC is still holding. This is where I got the 380 line, and the next line is $4. And remember, this is a zombie hour, guys. Don't fuck around with this. It's better just to fucking leave the house. You have to leave the house. Don't get FOMO because all you're gonna do is lose. It's very difficult during a zombie hour because the volume's very low. They can move this on air. That's the thing. So you think it has to stop at certain lines? It will fucking air you to death, just like we saw in ACHV. It fucking went to air. So don't. So this is why zombie hour just fucking avoid you. I always lose. It's very, very difficult to trade during the zombie hour. It's very tricky. See now you see what the fuck happened? Always lose. You always fucking lose. But I had a pretty fine risk that I'm willing to share with you, so I took the loss. It's completely fine. You see what happened? That 371 cover. You see how beautiful that 371 cover is now? These are all the market makers. I monitor everybody. And you notice you can tie shares, you can show shares. It's fucking, you know. The video, dude, I've been doing this for a month every day. The daily recap. Go on YouTube, the channel, and you can watch the daily recap. Remember, do not lose all your money during the zombie hour. That's the dumbest feeling. Just like the end of the day, just fucking walk away. I tell you, 2:30, come back. Don't be finding this shit. It's very easy to manipulate this shit both directions. How do you deal with being impatient? Dude, that's up to you. Look in the mirror and look at yourself and say, you're stupid. You're stupid. Every time you lose, eventually, hopefully you'll get it. Either you learn, either you win, you learn, or you go broke. It's simple as that, guys. You lose enough, you will learn. Some people take more beating than others. Once this trade is all that, then we can these daily recaps are long, but hopefully they'll help you. This one, it was an early thing. I wanted to show you the live trade and how it can be manipulated and crowded. This is an example of a fucked up crowded trade. That's as simple as that. Remember, plan out your trades, know your risk parameters, know how much willing you risk, what the plans were. So I had the plan laid out. Remember, I was short 368, 371 come, boom, covered most of that shit for the loss. You see what happened now? Now it's in 390, dude. If I kept on adding, I'd be fucking dead. Know the areas you want to get in and just wait for those areas to come in to add. Look at that shit go. People are gonna get scared and stop at $4. So we're probably gonna spike up more. Let me take a look at what the chart is gonna show. And this is very risky, man. This all happened during the zombie hour, guys. Look at the fucking time. 10 fucking 30. It was a 340, man. You see that shit? Fuck, if you don't fucking learn this shit, you will go broke. I'm telling you, I fucking lost a lot of money learning this shit. Let's let it play out and let's see what happens. So on the 21st, it hit $4 or something like that, right? So let's take a look at the graph on the. So this is a great way to look at a chart. So someone can pull up the chart for IGC when it hit. Let me see what day was that? That was on the 21st, right? It hit $4. So let's take a look. This is what I mean. So this is the IGC chart. On the 21st, it hit 4 and then cratered down. So we're gonna use that chart. Which is, yep, I was right. Which is this chart right here. So I'm basing upon this chart formation here. The fact that I was talking about it becomes a crowded trade already. So you gotta be very careful. But this is an example of like if you were to do it, you know what you would do. This is, and it's still during the zombie hour, so you never fucking know, dude. Predefine your risk, know your areas you're gonna go, know the exit plan, max size loss you want to willing to take. Someone is definitely pushing it up. This is a forced walk up. It's very controlled. It means that there's someone in there forcing this up. So it's we got to see a blowout for the top when they let it go. Right now, it's like someone's pushing it. So you got to be very careful. Go small size, man. If you must trading zombie hours, you have to go small size. And this is an example of a super overcrowded trade. I just show you the example. The moment I put up my screen share, boom. So for you guys, just sometimes it's best not to trade this. I mean, if you can't control FOMO, get the hell out of the house. As simple as that. So I want to let's talk about this ACH. When we're talking about this, let's do this while this thing does what it does. I'm not gonna show you what I got just so that we don't have any FOMO. Was at the top? 41,000. Someone seeing they're gaming this thing up, bro. See, this is a manipulation I'm talking about. So someone forcing it up, from forcing it down. It's controlled. A lot of games. 3 EDX. EDX, they can mask it by over. So that's one of the ECN exchanges. So some guy puts up a little order here, so it masks the big size, so people don't see on the L2. There's a lot of L2 tricking. So I'm telling you something. So in bulletin boards, OTC, which is the penny stock stuff, pink sheets, level 2 is very important because that's pretty real. In NASDAQ, it's fucking all games. And what's more important in NASDAQ are the charts. So level 2, for any of these dumb guys, this is how I know someone's a fucking dumbass trader or not. I'm not, that's a mean word, not dumb, just inexperienced. If they fucking keep talking about level 2, then they don't know what the fuck they're doing. I see a lot of these guys pretending to know what they're doing until I read their commentary and then talking about fucking sizes. I mean, dude, you just saw how it could be easily manipulated. I'm fucking I'm trading 5,000 shares and hiding and just showing 500 of it, you know? Level 2 is the devil's tool. You can get information, but you can't just use it alone. You have to look at the prints, what gets printed. You have to see the speed of which is printing. I want to show you. Yeah, that's the thing I'm saving off on a level 2 reading. Is how am I able to determine what's the top and the bottom when the knife falls? You know, when a parabolic happens. So you can't even look at the prints. You kind of just fucking look at the speed of the prints to determine shit is slowing down or speeding up. So that's the hint I'm giving you guys. But charts is more powerful when it comes to NASDAQ. As you see, dude, level 2 is all gaming. They're using this to fucking game you, to manipulate you, to work you. I mean, so these could be real. These can be fake. Who the fuck knows? These algos are so fast. They have algos that say, show 100,000 share size. If you get hit 10,000, pull it. So you think it's real because you're nibbling at it. But they only put 10,000 up, but they show 100,000. You see what I'm saying? They show 100,000, but they're willing to only take 10,000. Algos are fast as fuck, dude. You can program anything you want. You think your hotkeys is anything? Fuck no, dude. So any guy that's talking about level 2, I just gave you guys a hint right there. You can go around, you can see who the fuck keeps talking about level 2. Level 2, why do you think I just stick to the lines? Because you know what? Lines encompasses everything. Encompasses volume, encompasses prints, every fucking shit. Okay? I don't need to know about volume. I mean, it's good to know everything. I mean, of course, the more, but dude, man, there's so much shit to know. So just focus on what makes the money. And so I dumbed it down as much as I possibly can for you guys, which is around the concept of lines. Lines is basically, I just call lines, but those are resistance and support. As simple as that. Pivot lines, you can call it whatever the fuck you want to call it. So first you learn the basics, okay? The concept of charting and all that. And then you can start talking about fucking all this other bullshit. You know what I mean? Just first you have to master one thing and learn it before you start. Because it's so much shit people are throwing around, dude. So much theory. If you don't fucking understand the basic theory, you're not going to understand anything. So understand basic theory, and then you can go to the more advanced. The basic theory I'm teaching you, it covers most of this shit. You may be off by 5 cents, 10 cents, but fuck, dude, it's the basic theory. You don't need, you know, it's like for a beginning trader, it's just focus on simplicity. What did I tell you? See, pre-market, we even defined it, dude. We defined it as 360, 380, $4. And where did I get this? 360, 380, $4. It's as simple as that. So if you have to fucking wait, you wait for that 360 and you scale 380 and then scale $4 and that's it. You do not keep adding, and you avoid the zombie hour. This is a zombie hour. They fucking trap during the 10:30 time, which is at 340 to fucking 390. It's a 50-cent move, dude. It's fucking 50 cents. So you want to trade, you determine which one's a zombie. People, you know, to me, both of these were fucking zombies, but I don't want to fucking like be the guy saying it. It's like, I could be wrong. You decide your own. You know what I'm saying, man? We don't know what's a zombie, what's not. This is why I keep focusing. I'm not here to give you alerts, dude. Alerts is going to crowd the trade and stuff. I don't really know, to be honest, dude. I mean, thank you for the thinking that I fucking know, but I don't fucking know. All I know is 360, 380, $4, which you all can get. And then you determine yourself, based upon all the evidence, is this a zombie at 10:30? It turns out this was a zombie at 10:30. Turns out ACHV was also a zombie at 10:30. So at 10:30, it's zombied up. See, so these were zombies, but how am I supposed to know? So you determine, and then for the future, you determine yourself based upon a lot of evidence. So I'll tell you how I knew that this. So I never long a stock. I hardly ever long a stock, guys. But I longed this on purpose because I really thought it was going to go up. So let's review that. Yeah, AGC. You see that? Guess where I shorted. So that's the top, guys. That is the top. Where am I going to cover? You see. You see that, guys? Fuck. Scale the $4 line, 390s. I mean, you see what I'm saying, guys? Here, I want to fucking show you after I do it. I don't want to fucking crowd anymore. Fucking. I'm just telling you, this is not magic. I'm sharing you all these lines, and it fucking comes to fruition. You slowly scale the line area, and now now the peak is topped, and so I'm gonna figure out where I want to cover. I mean, it's simple as that. I mean, I don't fucking know where the bottom is. I just know I'm in the money. Came back to my 371 cover area. I mean, I could have played this more, but I'm doing this as a teaching thing for you guys. Remember, I really wanted the $4 line, but so Scott's there. I slowly scale that area. I mean, I was actually, fuck, man, I was higher. I was 390. It didn't fucking print. I was 397. Didn't fucking hit. But I got 389. So once the top is formed, it makes it much easier to guide off of the top, which gives you more confidence as a top. So once you hit top, we wanted this $4 line all day long, did we not, guys? All day long. What did I keep telling you guys? Pre-market, 360, 380, $4. If you had scale during those times, I mean, even though you're down like 10 cents. You see what I'm saying? You're not down that much. If you choose the outer lines, it's a safe way to do it. Everything in between the lines is just noise, in my opinion. That's how I call it. It's just fucking noise. Yep, this video stays in the vault just for you guys, man. This is why I'm so pissed on Twitter, guys. These guys are fucking idiots. I guess let them be an idiot, but at the same time, I don't want to have other guys think that these dumbass guys are right on Twitter, because these guys, I'm telling you, these guys are haters because they fucking lose. And they lose because they don't have an open mind like you guys. You guys are here to fucking learn, dude. I learn from everybody. Look at the shit I fucking learn every day. I learned how to open those pivot lines. And from Joe Kelly, I learned from Bear that I can go, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuck, man, we all here to help each other learn. The moment you think you're too good for anybody else, like, unless you're a fucking billionaire, I'm not going to fucking, you shouldn't listen to anybody. You shouldn't even listen to me. You listen to me with an open mind to see what I say. But unless someone has success in that kind of category, I mean, I don't even think I have that much success. I think I have enough to get you to my level. And then, but that's not enough, dude. I'm not a fucking billionaire. If I was fucking the god of trading, I'd be a billionaire. So I mean, fuck. I keep being humble. This is the biggest thing in trading, man. The moment that you think you know it all, you're fucking dead, because you're gonna hold on to a position and you're gonna die. You think like IGC, this thing is dead. They did a fucking offering. There's no reason, no news, all this shit. Any guy that keeps holding at 220, hoping a dollar comes, I'm fucking dead, dude. I don't really know. So there's many ways to trade, guys. If you keep making money, you fucking traded your style. So I'm just teaching you what the easiest way to do it, the safest way. Holding overnight to me is very risky, especially these little stocks. It could be bought overnight, manipulated, and all that shit. All I know is what's been working for me, which is charting. Charting has always fucking worked for me. I choose the reason I lose is I fucking get FOMO. I enter too early, When has charts failed you? Charts fucking help you guide what the next levels are. It's just human nature fucking gets too fucking greedy and wants to enter too early. Am I right, guys? I mean, that's what it is, man. Always comes back to the next fucking resistance area. You guys will get there. I'm telling you, if you guys just fucking just make money every day, avoid the zombie, these rules, the bankroll will grow very quickly. It's when you break the rules and you lose, it fucking hurts, man. Every big loss is a huge setback. Do not have these paper cuts are fine. Do not have these big fucking blowouts because it'll take you a long time to make them back. And it's not even the money you're fucking losing. It's the mental. You lose your confidence. Once you lose your confidence, you don't trust any fucking shit. You get shaked out at the top and you're shaking out at the bottom all day long. It happened to me, man. This is why I'm saying, man, keep good habits and then you build your confidence slowly over time. Because like fuck, man, if you're scared of the $4 because it may run into $5, you psych yourself up. You will stop out at the top because you stopped out at $3.94 because they don't want $4 to come because you're already in pain. The guys are in pain or chasing the shit. I just let it come. If you miss, you fucking miss, guys. As simple as that. Do not have fucking FOMO. FOMO is the killer of all day traders. FOMO coupled with arrogance. Arrogance makes you not cut a loss. And then you end up taking the mother of all losses. You could trade zombie hours all day long and be right. 10 out of 10. It's the 11th time that I'm worried that you're going to lose your money. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Because it worked 10 out of 10. Why wouldn't it work the 11th time? And so the 11th time, what do? You go fucking big, dude. Because it always worked for you. It always works, right? And so you get that mentality that always works. It's the next one that fucking wipes you out, man. I don't want you guys to get wiped out. I want you guys to have good habits, to make money daily, have good fucking habits. If you trade well daily, you stop when you're supposed to fucking stop trading. You stop when the hands are no longer in your favor. Get the fuck out. Leave the house. Go do whatever the fuck you need to do. You will trade well. Stick to the rules until you have a bankroll, which gives you the risk freedom. See, I don't know what the fuck is going on. It's still during the zombie hours. So I gotta play hella safe, dude. I could just walk away and hug. The easy trades are in the morning. You see that? It's always fucking easy in the morning because there's so much volume. It's very hard to manipulate shit at the open because there's so much fucking volume. But during the late day, dude, shit moves on air because there's nobody placing orders. So there's algos that can see every single open order out there, guys. Every time you send an open order, they see it. So they scan to see that they can sweep you. They can sweep all the orders. So let's say there's like 100 orders between 380 and 360. But there's a giant guy down here, which will cover all their fucking losses. So they'll take the loss on the way down to yank the guy on the bottom. So they can see every order, dude. It's like, it's crazy, man. These algos are crazy because NASDAQ allows them to fucking do this shit, dude. It's fucking, they game the system, man. You gotta read that book, Flash Boys. I think Michael Lewis, right? Flash Boys. It's fucking, it's completely right, guys. Dude, I seen it happen, man. They these high frequency trading firms, they want to co-locate next to the fucking NASDAQ servers. NASDAQ is a for profit, dude. This is the thing that's fucked up. I think all these exchanges need to be fucking regulated, because if it's for profit, dude, you know what they do? They sell their quotation to the high frequency trading firms before us. So the high frequency trading firms get their quotes before we do. So imagine if you could see my fucking hand, dude. They sell our we can't see where their open orders are, but they can see every open order. They're co-located next to the NASDAQ pricing quote. So by the time fucking I click submit, they already fucking hit us by like a millisecond. All you take is a millisecond to trigger something. And the fact that they're physically closer to the servers, it means that they get the data faster than we do. That's as simple as that. And when you're talking about fucking computers, dude, a millisecond is a fucking eternity nowadays. And then people don't believe it because these guys are dumb as fuck that don't think computers can fucking do shit faster than we can. $372. I only covered a little bit of that. I thought 360s would come, so most of my orders were covered in the 360s. So 372 was what I covered and went back up. But ACHV, let's go back to that. Let's let me pull up that fucking trade. So while this goes on, we will trade. We will talk about AC. So remember, guys, remember in the morning I showed you my long buys? How did I know? I don't fucking know. But I knew the fact that the last time ACHV ran, it ran to $5. And then it tanked all day long. So if you follow along, if you can't read this, you can go to Twitter. I posted on Twitter. So these are all my buys. And I was like, dude, I'm trying to game the system. You know how? Because I know other chat rooms are going to pump this shit. And this is a gold mine for them to pump. It's a low float. Day one, low float. Nothing else is moving. Day one, low float. They're horny for this shit. They're horny. So I bought some. And I bought some at the bottom. How did I know that was the bottom? I fucking, in the morning, I drew the line here. It was right here. So when I woke up, I woke around this time. So before I woke up, it bottomed here. So I started buying at the bottom of the channel. That's it. So I saw the channel between 380 and 350. So I bought the bottom channel, 350. Took a chance. I set my risk parameter, 20 cents. So if I lost 20 cents, get the fuck out. No big deal. So that's what I did. I did exactly right. I bought all of the fucking way. All this shit was all my buys. And as it went up to the 380 line, I just took some off. And I took some more off. Took more some off. And then when 450, remember I told you, I gave you guys this plan. 450, I'm going to reverse my shit and do a short. So I started shorting. Short all the way down. Then covered it. You see that? I covered it. And then a short at 450, cover. Short, cover. So that. And so I waited for the zombie hour to come. And I was like, fuck, this shit didn't break down yet during the zombie hour. So I was like, fuck, I'm getting the fuck out. I'm not going to fucking be playing hero. And so this is why I keep warning you guys. Remember, this could error and error. And so I don't know if it's right or wrong. I just happen to be right. You see why I know? Because $4 line. All day long, I support it. Every time drop, support it. Drop, support it. $4 lines. All fucking day. And so so this is usually how bear traps happen. What a bear trap is this? It's trapping a short. It's trapping the shorts. And at the same time, getting rid of all the longs. Because there's no way that this will move up if there's so many people with a long position. So if you have a long position, you're going to sell against them. So it works against them, right? So they want to get rid of people. So what they do is they yank it. So it was down to 394 or something, 393. And so a lot of people would slam. And it's completely right. Most of the time, it'll fucking fall. But dude, this was day one, low float, day one. You know what I'm saying? This works on the backside, guys. You slam shit on the backside. Slam shit on the front side, you will die. So I did take some, but it was a tiny size. It was not that big of a size. If you slam big, look at this shit, dude. Fucking $5, dude. I don't have any orders out, but shit, I should have. Okay. Nah, just do a tiny, just to fucking for fun. 550 next. $5 and then 550. So let's see. Once again, I'm not gonna tell you my trades. If I show you lines, 5 and the 550. Remember, guys, always have to anticipate the big side of the loss. So 550, you better make sure that you can afford to lose to 550. So take accordingly the risk. And I hope no one fucking chased this shit down there because I fucking want. If you did, man, it's completely fine. Just learn from this shit and hopefully it didn't break you. Okay, hope it didn't break you. Because here's the fucking 450 move, guys. I mean 550 move. This is crazy, huh? You said both of these guys zombied out. So if I just fucking, so a lot of times I just wish I want to fucking leave the house. Leave the fucking house. Because a lot of times you can't fucking avoid this discipline shit because we're all greedy bastards, you know. Is you short of the $5 line? Fuck, you're down, but you're not down that much. And fucking, you know, it's like, fuck, shouldn't have traded during the zombie hour. You know, you're down 20 cents, but if you have 1,000 shares, it's like $200. Just fucking, you know, you shouldn't be sizing up during zombie hour, guys. Lines are, like I keep telling you, zombie hours, it can be manipulated, man. It's fucking very easy to move shit during the zombie hour because there's not much volume. Right now, there's 29 million fucking volume. So just trust the lines and see. Okay, so the AC. So this is where I did the long. So you notice I fucking just stopped trading after the zombie hour on this shit. Waiting for my fucking lines. And where did I get these lines from? Let's take a look again. It did completely opposite it did last time. Last time it faded all day long. So let me explain that again. Let me explain why it did that. Okay. This is all hooroo, hindsight bullshit, but fucking I was right. Meaning I fucking told people. So let's take a look at how I knew that this sucker could be potential danger. Because last time it went down all day long. But this is remember I keep saying, man, if everyone thinks the same shit, it's gonna go the opposite, man. So let's take a look at what I did for this ACHV. So 1 year, let's zoom in for 6 months. So basically keep zooming in. $6 is the line. Ooh, now it's getting kind of scary, huh, guys? 550 is $6. See that? Okay, so I zoomed in. So Bear was nice enough to pull up a chart for that day. The last time I ran big, it hit around 550 something. So let me show you the method I find all this stuff. So I go to Yahoo Finance. First, I use this. There might be easier ways to do it, but this is how I do it. So I find the day, July something. I don't know what July, right? So then I go to this ACHV. I go historical data. July something. I don't know. Then I look for the date. Oh, here it is, July 11. See, Alex stopped out 450. He would die. Exactly. So he did. This is probably his best trade because he had 80,000 fucking short, man. And he went against the common thing. He would be down 100 grand right now. The reason why he's able to get out is because we talked about being 450 line. 450 line. It breaks that shit, $5 comes. So he was prepared to take the loss. He only lost like a fucking quarter, 20 cents. 20, 25 cents on an $80,000 share position. You see what I'm saying? So knowing these lines help you get the fucking out. So it's okay for him. He predefined his risk. He said, I'm only going to take a quarter loss. 450 lines, I'm getting the fuck out. So he saved himself. That's a fucking good trade, man. Just like my IGC 371. I predefined that shit. Take the loss, 371. Took most of the loss out. If I didn't, I'd be hurting. You know, it's like, fuck, man, why would I want to give back $2,000? You think anybody wants to give back $2,000? No. So there's a screen share, right, guys? You guys still see the screen share? Why be someone keeps short on day one? It's very simple. If you're not in the stocks, just say, hey, yeah, you guys are dumb. It's FOMO, man. This is why I keep trying to tell you, discipline. You will be there one day when you think the shit is dead and you don't have discipline and you get fucking creamed. So lines are important because it gives you spots to average down on. So I'm just randomly average down on shit. You have to have a reason for each trade. So lines help you actually average down shit. So I use these lines to average. So I'm able to fucking maintain my risk. And then the zombie hour comes when I realize, fuck, man, I lost all my money during that time. It's like, it's not fucking worth it. Because dude, there's no volume. It's like, if things didn't work out during that time that you think it's going to work out, it's not going to fucking work out. You gave it enough fucking time. You always re-enter back the trade. Always remember, you can always fucking come back in the trade, guys. That's the thing people don't understand. You can always get back into the trade. Okay, ACHH. What am I doing here? Okay, still waiting for this sucker to make some sort of move. So let's go back to the example. I'm sorry. How did I spot and figure this out? So July 11th, hit 570, and the fucking closed at 380. The low, it closed at $4. I'm like, oh shit, it's an all-day fader. So if you use DOS, you can pull up intraday charts, which Bear showed. Bear and Joe Kelly showed us. So this was the intraday chart. Around 10 o'clock, just died all day long. So everyone's expecting this. So the shorts were like, easy money, easy money. I'm going to short this shit. There's that dilution. How they figure out it was dilution? Let's go. Let's figure it out. So what are the steps? Once again, I identified ACHH to be, so I used FinViz. Low float. It's kind of weird, dude. I think these floats are fucking wrong, but who knows? ICH. Let's see if it's going to attack the $4 line. All these zombies, man. You got to be very careful, man. It's fucking not easy. Not easy, guys. The suckers. I only have a very small position. At 498 is my average. I reduced, so I took half of it off for like a tiny ass loss when it came back down. This is during the zombie hour. You shouldn't be fucking around. But once again, identified this. I looked up the chart, identified the date, the 11th. So then I can look back at the historical and figure out how it did during that day. Went back to DOS and see the chart at the intraday. And it's all day fader. And I looked at the ticker ACHH on the filing site, and I realized there's a huge effective selling. They're selling paper back in June. This is the thing people don't understand. It's like, fuck, back in June, they probably sold a ton of it in July. So that was, I moved to 5. So if I take a look at this, 570 July, 18 million fucking shares traded that day. 18 million shares traded that day. A lot of paper they can get rid of that day. They sold all day long. If you take a look at this chart, they sold all day long. All day long, they sold the paper. So now so a lot of these people that are trading this on the short side are like, yeah, dude, there's a big effect there. They're diluting. And it's the exact opposite. So I was kind of scared. I don't really know what's going on. All I know is at 10:30, all I know is $4 was supported all during the first hour, dude. And then a zombie hour comes, and it's still fucking like, it's still not dead. So I'm like fucking scared of it. If you're scared of something, don't fucking trade it. Well, sure enough, it went up, but it was just, I'm not a genius. It's just I fucking put these clues together. The clue being day one, support at $4. Zombie hour came, it still didn't die, and sure enough, it bear trapped. And so once it started bear trapping, just no trade, guys. You wait for your lines, or just so next line will be 550. So IGC, same thing, man. Fuck, dude. 1030 is zombied up. The best trade, guys, to be honest, best trade for these two, if you recognize it, go long. But the second best trade, which is the trade that most people can do, leave the fucking house. You trade losses for getting some air, learning discipline. Get the fuck out of the house. Then you wouldn't fucking get into this situation. You know, it's like, fuck. I'm in a very tiny position of these, dude. I mean, fuck. I only did 2,000 shares at $5. So I'm like, fuck. I don't know. I can, if it goes down, I can always add to the winner. This is my starter, you know. I don't want to get trapped. And so when it went up to 520, it went back down to 503. I took half off, so I only got 1,000 shares, 498 average. No big deal, you know. This is during zombie hour. I have a lot of meat, guys. I can wait till tomorrow to fucking get in on size. If it goes down, it goes down. I don't have enough conviction during day one chasing, cherry picking the top. This is still the upside of the move, the front side, trending up. You're fighting the fucking trend. If you had just recognized a trend to be uptrending and you bought every fucking dip, you make money. I tell you, dude, the reason it's very difficult because like the last time it went down all the way like that. But once a trigger happens, so I'm gonna stop here and let you guys ask some questions. Let me pull up what I did on the trade so you guys can see what I did. Let's start with this. Okay. Let's start with this. So here's all my ACH moves. Let's walk through this. 520 looked like a good line right now. So what I did was I shorted at $5, covered some on the way down for break even. I'm in half a position and I'm ready to cover around here if it comes. And so I'm just show you. That's what I got. It's tiny. I'm just trading tiny during the fucking this is tiny stuff, dude. So I have remember I told you I only shorted 2,000 shares. And so when it went down to let's see, where is it? So during the low, I played tiny, man. It's not much. I'm only holding 5,000 shares of this shit. I took some off, made some money at 372, like I told you. You know, I have really no conviction on this. I'm just teaser trades during this time. The next one would be, you see, IGC. Where's the price? Just tiny, dude. Most of the sizes were in the morning where it was easier to trade. Why am I sizing during zombie hour? So ACHV, I'm just fucking scaling down. It's tiny. This is tiny shit, dude. I don't like to trade during the zombie hour. I'm telling you, I'm just showing you right now. I'm just showing you evidence that if I trade, I have major ass fucking FOMO, guys. And so the way I curb it is by trading, but just with tiny ass size. You see what I'm saying? I know myself. I have no discipline. I can't fucking not resist. You see, you throw me a potato chip in front of my face, I'll fucking eat it. I fucking have no fucking discipline. So the way I curb it is like you have to know yourself. I just trade tiny. And I made a lot of money in the morning. Hug it. Give back fucking a little bit during this. That's just the way I fucking do it, you know? I can leave the house. I wouldn't even be fucking trading now if I wasn't going to fucking do a daily recap for you guys. So, I mean, I'm just showing you different ways that you can think of yourself. See, fuck, man. Even if I had conviction, I'm like, fuck, man, how much conviction I have during a fucking zombie hour? I fucking went up too much. 550, I would have added more. And this is all realistic trading that you can do. Small ass size trading. I mean, this might be big right now for you, whatever, but it's, I mean, it's very manageable. I'm just showing you what it is. The moment I pulled it up, this thing got fucking popped up. I'm telling you, it doesn't take much size, guys. Seriously, it does not take much size to make consistent money. And at the end of the day, when you don't have big swings, I mean, knock on wood, you know, that's where the money is, guys. Not getting into these big ass losses, guys. How much you reading tape? Fuck it, man. You guys keep talking about reading tape. There's no secret code, guys, to reading the fucking tape. You can read and fucking be wrong. Okay, it's fucking people keep talking about reading. It's fucking dude. It's some sort of urban fucking legend. You can read it, but it's just one data input. It's not fucking when you read it. It's not gonna be a secret hidden message. Just like, now short it at $5. That is the top. There's no fucking little guy in the fucking machine telling you that shit. The best thing you can do is fucking, so it's just one way to fucking, one data point. Another data point is the lines. Another data point is, so you're using all these fucking data points, dude. So I'm just showing you that as an example. So let's move to the bigger here. I don't want to screw anybody's trades up anymore. So in the morning, let's recap what we did. This is a very good example. I'm going to do it again. I went long. Started scaling out a little bit. Took a third off, whatever, at 380 because that was the line. I was buying this shit up because I was safe, dude. It's fucking safe. I use all my formula. I use my information. Just think, hey, man, this is a low float. Day one. People were horny for this shit. There hasn't been a daily one low float like this in a long time that works. So, fuck, maybe it is. So I fucking wrote it. I started scaling out. You see this? These are all buys, guys. These are all sells. So when it topped, then I reversed out to the shorts. So that started shorting. So these are shorts. That's why this is a cover here. Had a sweet ass cover, right? 380 back, 379 actually, 379. 379. You see that, guys? So I used my line. So once I determined my line was 450, 450, right? This is 450. You can't read it, but this line is 450. Short. Scale into the short. Unwind as it goes down. All covers. Way under the fucking short. 450 short. Fucking $4. 410 line. I fucking covered. See that? That's all I did, guys. I traded within the channel. Kept trading in the channel until 1030. 1030 comes. Zombie times. Fucking slow the fuck down. And that's exactly what I did. Just fucking chill the fuck up. I took a short at 450 here because I was in my line, and I fucking covered for the fucking tiny ass loss. I'm able to do that because I waited. Notice how I waited. There was no trades between the 410 and the 450. My first one shot, one kill. He didn't kill the motherfucker. He didn't kill this guy. So I fucking stabbed him and ran away. I said, I fucking ran away. If you sucker punch some big ass guy and he does not go down, you're fucked. Get the fuck out. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna fucking murder you. You gave it your best shot. Just fucking give up. Just fucking run away. That's what I did. You see what I did? I remember this is the I covered down here at 409. I even told you 408, 413. I told you I covered all that, and then it spiked on air. And I waited for 450 because that was the line. And so I fucking got scared. I fucking covered and ran away. And I waited. And I went long here. Remember I told you I went long? Because why? Because all day $4 line was supported. All day. So I started scaling. So this was my first small order. This is actually a small order. So I was like, fuck, I wanted it for, remember I told you, this was 418. I wanted 408. And then I wanted a $4 line, 398. So I was scaling into the 4 line. You see how I did? And I sold. So that's all I did. I played the channels. The top of the channel, I short. The bottom of the channel, I go long. Didn't go down to my channel. Only went down to here. So I didn't add more. But I should have moved my channel up. If I was a better trader, I would have recognized that 430 line is the new line. You see that? It kind of, if you draw this line fucking across, remember I keep telling you the analogy of the floor and the ceiling? This was the ceiling. Because every time I hit here, it went down, right? Every time I hit it, went down. Now the ceiling became the floor. Every time I went here, go up. Every time I went here, went up. Boom. And then, fuck, dude, fucking sprung up. So if I was a good trader, I would have been long this 430 line. Remember, I'm not a good trader. I'm just fucking recognizing these patterns and more discipline than I used to be. So this is why I'm profiting. I profit because I stay disciplined. It's not because I'm smart, guys. I'm smart enough to be disciplined. I'm smart enough to read the lines. So you only need a minimal intelligence. I'm telling you, don't fucking think you got to be a fucking genius to fucking get this. If you follow the rules, and the rules already fucking, I lost enough money to fucking formulate these rules for you. I realize what works for me are the lines. What works for me is not trading between 10:30 and 2:30. You follow those simple rules and you just fucking make money in the morning. You fucking leave. You don't have to fucking, you don't have to worry, man. Go fucking your normal job, man. So you learn, over time, once you learn this, build the bankroll, you can do anything you want. My whole thing is I want to be able to get you comfortable enough to learn to trade. When you're comfortable to learn your trade, you're on your own, dude. Everybody has a different way to trade. Make the system your own. Any question, guys? Let's go and then finish the IGC thing, and then we will be done. Oh shit. Okay. IGC. Here are all my IGC trades from the morning. Remember I told you 360 line. Shorted 360 line. Covered. Shorted 360 line. Cover. Ooh, sweet ass covered in the 338. Shorted 360 line again. Cover. Ooh, sweet. Some of them even covered super low. You short AH? Of course I short AH. You just like, I don't want to be mean, but dude. We were asking ACHH and then we were talking about IGC and you're asking ACHH. Did I short it now? Why the fuck would I tell you? I'm not going to be mean, but dude, did you not hear what I said? Why the fuck would I tell you? I don't want you to copy me, dude. If you're here to copy trades, get out. Seriously. You did not hear anything I fucking said, dude. We spent an hour trying to show you that copying trades does not work. I'm here to teach you guys to fucking learn. If you're too fucking lazy to learn, you're going to lose all your money. Might as well. I'll do you a favor. Send me everything you would trade. Everything. I will give you back half. You will have half more than you would have if you fucking don't listen to these rules I tell you. You're going to lose all your money, guys. I'm telling you. This is tough love. I don't want to be mean, but dude. I don't want to be mean, my friend. I'm sorry, but dude, this is for your own good, man. I'm telling you. You think I'm mean? I'm not fucking mean. You know what's more mean? Being broke and having to go tell your fucking wife you can't fucking buy diapers or pay the rent or just stuff like that, dude. That's fucking more mean. Okay, I want you guys to fucking understand. This is a fucking serious thing. Do not fucking follow your trades. Learn to fucking trade the right way. Do not be lazy. If you're handed a fish every day to eat, you're gonna be so lazy. You're not gonna learn to fish. Versus, okay, you might be feasting fine for the fucking first week because some guy's giving you fish. And while I'm learning to fucking teaching someone to fish for themselves, they may be hungry in the beginning. They may be hungry for a month. You're sitting there, oh, I got a good source. Some guy is giving you fish every fucking day. And then the moment that motherfucker leaves, stops giving you fish, you're going to go fucking hungry and you're not going to know how to fish. While the other guy is learning to fish. And within a fucking month, he'd be fucking fishing. And he'd go, fuck you. I ain't give you no fucking fish. I'm teaching you to fucking fish. I'm not giving you the fucking fish to eat, dude. But these lessons, you can learn and fish for yourself while you fucking learn. But to copy trades, that's not the way to fucking learn, guys. If someone spoon feeds you this shit, you never fucking learn. I'm teaching you how to learn to fucking fish. That makes sense, guys? I'm sorry I'm mean, but fuck, man, that's the only way you learn. Copying trades, I just spent a fucking hour showing copying trades does not work. IGC does not fucking work. It's an overcrowded shit. Now you're asking me, did I short this shit? What the fuck, dude? What did I tell you? $5, $5.50. So the answer is no, I did not short ACHV. I shorted at $5. The next short will be $5.50. I took the loss on the 503. So let's take a look at that again. You don't fucking believe me, I'll show you right now. Tiny ass shares, I told you. See? I shorted at $4.99. Took the loss on half at 503. I'm just sitting down on my 1,000 shares and waiting for that shit to come down. That's it. If it goes to 550, whoop-de-doo. I don't care. I'm only fucking down $500. But you can. I mean, for you size accordingly. I mean, I'm just, you know what I'm saying. For me, it's just a different size. But let's go back to the IGC thing. I'm going to finish this recap because we got a lot of trading left in the day, guys. Do you see what I gave you guys the line 360. You see what I did? I fucking 360. I shorted it. I covered it. Now I fucking spiked on air during the zombie hour. So you fucking work it like that, guys. Use the lines to your advantage. Then you don't have to ask anybody if they fucking shorted shit or whatever. Relax, man. Ask for education. Relax, dude. This is fucking. Dude, you've been. I don't want to be mean, but dude, this is fucking relax. Fuck, you want to relax? Go to fucking Ross's room, Warrior room, and fucking you can fucking go broke and relax there. This is fucking serious shit, dude. Yeah, I'm fucking triggered. I don't give a fuck, dude. Seriously, dude. We're here to learn. If you have one guy with a bad attitude fucking up the system, it's gonna corrupt the whole fucking membership. You see what I'm saying, guys? I mean, I'm not here to fucking be a nice guy to make money off you guys like this, okay? I want to fucking have a team of guys that really want to learn. And if one guy is a fucking asshole, it's gonna corrupt the whole thing. I'm not being mean, dude. I'm an asshole too, but I learn. You know, fucking relax. Jesus Christ, dude. People are fucking losing money here, guys. Making money, losing money. Money, this is a serious fucking matter. I mean, I'm very passionate. I joke around a lot, but dude, when it comes to shit like this, it's like, fuck, dude. You can't fucking relax, man. It's like, fuck, you break the rules. You fucking ask for fucking shit like this. It doesn't work, man. IGC. Okay, gotta be careful on that, guys. Let's take a look. Any question, guys? This is a very important day. Right now, it's killing all the shorts that are fucking stubborn, okay? So you gotta be careful. So what you learn, 1030 rule, be fucking careful, man. Go small size. Go fucking small size. If you're wrong, eat the small loss. Remember, I ate the loss at 371? If I did, I'd be down 20-something cents. On a 10,000 position, that's a fucking lot of money. Any other questions? It's coming down $4 line, guys. Be very fucking. Remember, I said 230. It's 116 right now. You can still fucking keep running. Let's take a. You know, it's like anything can happen during the zombie hour, guys. I'm telling you, just gotta be fucking very, 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 very fucking careful. Have a very good risk defined. Don't think just because the lines get there doesn't mean that's the gold. There's no fucking there's no Bible per se. There's no fucking 100% guarantees. Those are guidelines. The best guideline is don't trade during the fucking zombie hour. Simple as that. Any question, guys? Sorry, I'm kind of like, I mean, I'm serious about this. You know, this trading is serious business, man. We joke around with a lot, but dude, it's fucking serious business. I want you guys to learn this shit, dude. I don't want you guys to fucking blow up your account, you know, chasing shit. Why isn't this line working? I was like, dude, man, the lines is just a guide. It's not 100%. I'm not here to fucking, I don't know the answers, you know? I just know, look, $4 now is the line. There's fucking 100,000 shares out at $4. I don't even need to fucking say that. We knew that ahead of time by charting it. So I don't really know. The best thing is I'm fucking in tiny. I have room to add because that's my plan. I may fucking stop out at 405. Who the fuck knows? I shouldn't have been even in this shit during zombie hour. I should have just left the fucking house. Come back at 2:30. The best way to do is get the fuck out. You made the money in the morning. You do not get fucking greedy. So this is where the FOMO comes in. You're like, oh, fuck, it worked every time. Every time I shorted 360, it went down. It worked. Boom, didn't work. Then you start averaging up and you fucking die. So the best thing to do, I swear, guys, if you guys are a beginning trader and you make money in the morning, make the money in the morning because those are the easier trades. Then leave the fucking house. Once you lock up your trades by the zombie hour time, leave the fucking house. If you did that every day, how much money would you save on stupid ass fucking boredom trades or just fucking shit like that? Look, it's grinding the fuck out of all the shorts. Or if you're a better trader than I am, go long. And sometimes we do this. I switched over to do the webinar for you guys. I would be trader. That's why I wanted to focus on trade and make a lot of money on this. But I did this because remember I told you this is a very important lesson for you guys today. That's why I fucking did this shit. I gave up my fucking trading to do this shit. I even put out what I had, which would have made money, but I shared it, so it went up. I lost some money, so I can show you guys that overcrowded trades, copying trades do not work. A couple of items. $4 breaks. It's gonna be, very scary, guys. It could be also a fake. You know the fuck knows, Look at that $4 line, man. Crazy. Big ass wall. That's the wall. So I want to talk about the boot camp. The boot camp is going to be October 6th, Saturday. Once again, I keep reminding you have to register, guys. There's spaces limited. I need an accurate head count. Register at Tosh, please. I need accurate head count to order the food for you guys. This is not free. The food alone is $80 a person. So we're giving you that for free. Once you $4. It's crazy. They're chewing up the fucking $4 line. Crazy. Look at that shit. Look at that GC chewing up the fucking $4, 100,000 shares there. Let's see if it airs up or it breaks or it's fake. Let's see. But it's like, dude, it's so strong. It's like, fuck, it's scary as hell. Now leave the house. Leave the fucking house. Simple as that. Damn, bro. $230. I'm gonna come back $230 and see where's that. Okay. Any question, guys? So let's finish the boot camp. I'm telling you, dude, sign up for annual. Go to the boot camp. If you're a beginning trader, boot camp is gonna seriously help you. We're gonna teach you how all this stuff in person. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna mentor you guys. I'm gonna, even for advanced traders, be there. I don't see, like, dude, this is all for free, man. You join that annual, it's all for free. Ongoing. We're not going to do the daily recaps for public anymore. This is very powerful stuff. So if you're in the club, it's great. And just because you think you're in the club doesn't mean you can't get kicked out. If I see you guys pumping and dumping shit and you're trying to manipulate the users, if you're spamming, if you're doing private messaging, let me know. If any motherfucker starts to private message you to try to pump and dump a stock or to pump another service, let me know. I will kick them out. We run very tight rules in here. It includes the mentors. I told the mentor, we run the tight ship here. It's all about honesty and integrity. And I don't want one bad seed to corrupt everything. This is what I'm very, very, very serious about. It does not take much to change the culture of a club. Have one motherfucker in there that's corrupt. We got to get rid of him. That makes sense, guys? I don't give a fuck if it's half of my fucking people. I'm getting rid of them. I don't give a fuck if it's the mentors. I'm sorry, guys, but I told them there's no 3 strikes. If you're fucking doing corrupt shit, you're 1 strike, you're out, dude. It's simple as that. You shouldn't be doing it. You know what happens when people give you 3 strikes? You do 2 strikes because you think you can get away with it. There is no fucking 3-strike rule. I'm very lenient. Depends on what the offense is. Look at the IGC, guys. I'm gonna fucking show you right now. IGC has just creamed all the shorts. When I told you $4 line, so I started scaling in. At 3 say, I fucking took the loss, all of it. At 4-1. Just simple as that, guys. Fucking take these paper haircuts. I short at $3.99. Cover 4-1. Took the loss $4 from there. So this is just filler trades. You don't know. Fucking play it safe, dude. We will post all the IG lives will go on YouTube. So But my trading is very exacting, so we're not gonna show it to anybody. So yeah, I mean, you guys learned this shit today. This is big, right? This is a huge daily recap, guys. This is a day when fucking shit does not come down. This is a day if you're short and you keep adding, you're dead. You have to fucking take a loss. I took a loss. I mean, it's a manageable small loss. I predefined my risk and I fucking lost. I'm done for the fucking time until 2:30. Best thing would have done was I could have saved fucking $1,000 where I was by fucking not trading during this time. It's fine. I fucking predefined my risk, and I'm a man. I fucking, you know, I risked fucking my losses. I mean, my winning, but I still kept green. I'm very nicely green from the morning, you know. So look at that shit. Now the only thing is you can rechart it, and let's take a look at the rechart. The suckers, this shit's fucking like crazy. So if you're smart, you would have fucking realized it. And both of these, you could have fucking made money during the zombie hour by going long. You don't have to guess. This is something I hate, man. It's like it's reading tape. I think we should stop using that word. I hate that term actually, because it implies that you fucking have some secret language that you can interpret from this. There's no fucking secret language. Let me tell you that. There is no fucking secret language. There's no elf lingo. There's no little fucking elf guy in the fucking computer that's fucking whispering what the fuck this shit is, okay? There's no Klingon dictionary shit. Reading tape is bullshit. Reading tape is bullshit. Reading tape is bullshit. It's just a reading tape. It's a way for fucking guys to sell themselves. I'm not saying anything about Alex, okay? I'm just not saying anything about Alex. It's a way to convince your fucking self that your trade is working. When your trade's not fucking working, guys. Oh shit. You know what fucking works? You know why it works sometimes? Because it's within the parameters. If it's not zombie hour and you're reading the tape, fine. Oh, it works. He hasn't read the tape. No, dude, it's not because you're reading the tape, because you're following the other rules that is higher on the hierarchy of success. Does it make sense, guys? You're like, I read the tape at the resistance line. Nah, dude, the resistance line is the fucking tape. It's the language. So if you want to read the tape, read the fucking tape of the chart. Read the charts. The charts will tell you everything. Okay? It's not the tape. It's not this shit here. This shit fucking don't tell you shit. Level 2 don't tell you much shit. It's the chart. Once $4 broke, look what the fuck, what had happened. I read the fucking tape. It says if $4 breaks, it's gonna fucking kill all the shorts. Just fuck with you guys, but you see what I'm saying, man? Dude, I just showed you what it is, dude. I took a stab at 399, covered 401, man. Simple as that. The fuck, you know, there's no. But if you read the tape, oh man, big order, it must be fake. It's like the tape is telling me this is a fake order. Fuck, they just chewed 100,000 shares and went back up to 433. I mean, I'm just playing this. Dumb as fuck can be. If I'm an idiot, I'm you know, sometimes keeping it simple. You know, so now I could have tried to trade the top, whatever, but I was like, dude, this is Pat. I give up. I wave the red flag. White flag, whatever the fuck it is. It's red for me because I lost. If you fucking chase this shit short, you're dead. ACHV. Both of these motherfuckers are up. So today, longs, you win. I'm still green. I'm very nicely green. But more importantly, this is not about me. I did these trades and I made sure that I fucking walk you through this so that you save your ass money. So these guys are asking me, hey, should I enter? I was like, I don't fucking know. Look at this shit. You know what the answer would have been? Oh, yeah, dude. I fucking knew it. You should have bought at 320, 340. We alerted you at 340. You put up $100 right now. You would have been up $1. And then you see all these fucking fake rooms. We called it. Did you fucking trade it? No, you did not. You can't call shit unless you traded it, okay? That should be the number one fucking rule. Did you fucking trade it? You did not trade it, you did not call shit. Because if you called it, you would have traded it. If you really think that's gonna happen, you would have fucking traded it. The fact you didn't trade it means you didn't know shit. If I thought this shit would run up, to be honest, I would have went long. But I was scared. I did not know. I'm not arrogant to tell you I knew. All I know is this. All I know is I don't know. The only thing in life I know for sure is I don't know. And if I don't know, it's a no trade. If I know, I'm going to trade it. I trade by probability. Your probability might be better than my probability. You might be a better trader. I'm not saying, I mean, dude, I'm not the best trader, dude. I want to learn and be better every fucking day. But you know how it was good? You know how I'm better now than I was before? Now I don't fucking attack shit and get trapped. Not gonna win. Like during the zombie hour. Because I fucking pre-define my risk. I do not fucking give up my entire day trying to be a hero shorting everything at $4. That's how I got better. Doesn't mean I'm the best. I would never be the best. But I'm better than I was a year ago. I'm better than I was the other day. The fact that I'm still sitting here and I'm a short bias trader, meaning I short more than long. The fact I'm sitting here with nice green gains, educating you guys, confident enough to fucking show you the shit, to show you that crowded trades is going to kill you, means I'm a better trader than I was the other day. Knowing to not fucking short this area and now getting stuck from $4 to $5.20, I'm a better trader. Makes sense, guys? The only thing you can do is be better than you were yesterday. Doesn't mean that you can make more money. It just means that you lose less money. The fact that you're losing less money means you're a better trader. Back in the day, this might have wiped me out. No way this shit went up. Fuck, I did my research. This company is a pig. They did a big offering. It's up on no news. What the fuck? All in. You guys must be dumb as fuck to be long this shit. Oh, fuck. It went up fucking 500%. Go quiet on Twitter for a week. It starts dropping down. I told you so. Ha ha, you guys are dumb. You see the trend of these? Don't fucking believe Twitter, guys. It's all fucking bullshit. All fucking bullshit. These motherfuckers that these guys that are fucking showing P&Ls every once in a while, fucking bullshit. Bullshit. I'm calling it out bullshit. How come you only show the winning trades? You never lost a trade? Either show fucking everything or don't show anything. Yeah. I mean, fuck, dude. I don't know what to say. Like, it's once again, leave your ego at the door, including my own. Okay, this is what killed me, man. I mean, every time I lose big, it's I have a fucking ego. I don't want to take a loss. I'm too embarrassed to post a loss. I think I know better than other people. You know, the only thing I know is I don't know. Okay, the only thing I know for sure in life, 100%, is I don't know. And so the things I know is fuck. I make my money in the morning. I lose during the fucking zombie hour. Damn, CEI, fuck. I fucking forgot about that. You know, so stick to what you know, and then you start to try to learn. And to this day, fuck, dude, I still fucking get FOMO. I still fucking want to trade during the zombie hour, and then I lose. I hate losing, even if it's like fucking a little bit. It's just fucking unnecessary loss. Does it make sense? There's more risk for me to lose during the zombie hour. Why the fuck am I risking? Get the fuck out of the house. If I was not doing a recap for you guys, I would not be here, dude. I would be exercising right now. But I stayed for you guys, and I fucking lost. I fucking hate it. I mean, who the fuck wants to lose? The only way sometimes is to leave the fucking house. Recap is recording. Oh yeah, should I turn it off? You got any more questions? I'm gonna be done with the recap and like you guys on. Analysis on forward reserves and price. Okay, JX. When you reverse split a stock, what happens is you turn. So let's say a stock had a million shares. So you reverse split it. It becomes a smaller shares, and you basically clean out the fucking people. So you had 1,000 shares, they reverse split your ass. You got 100 shares left. You see what I'm saying? So they're cleaning out the user base by doing that. ACHV, let's see if it goes down to any of these levels. So they clean out the. You don't look into that too much, man. It's a play by play. Just focus on the big thing. I hate talking about that shit because, man, it's all like that hand waving bullshit. Who the fuck knows, dude? You know, the only thing I know is you gotta be careful with the day one. You gotta be careful when the top is set, then it goes down. That's all it is. Front side, back side. Um, when the verse play comes, we will talk about it. We talked about this the other day, and I posted the daily recap on the room, and you can go to the daily recap room. I think we talked about that in more detail. So if you missed it, uh, you go there and you look. We don't have time to go that today. Any other things? 2:30 time. So I noticed around 2:30 stocks like this start to peak, and that's when I can come back in and short it. I let between the 10:30 and 2:30, let those guys like 10:30 and 2 o'clock. I let the other guys fucking kill themselves because those hours are very dangerous. Let it figure itself out. And I noticed it peaks between around 2 o'clock time frame. I would say 2:30 because they need to clean up that time before the end of the day. So during that time, a lot of shit happens up and down, whatever. But that's when the action is. So I come back during that time. And that's why it's just my own personal thing. And you can notice it yourself. It could be real, it could be false. But you know what, man? I've seen it a lot of times. So now 10:30 is my rule. It could be 11 o'clock. It could be 11:30. Who the fuck knows what time it is? But around that general time, you just got you basically make rules that have been working. So I made a rule around that because I lose money during that time. And for some reason, it seems to be true. I mean, there's a lot of technical reasons why we won't get into there, but just, when you learn more, you figure it out. I don't need you to be over flooded with bullshit that you don't need to learn yet. You first learn the system, and then you can dive into why. But if it's fucking as a rabbit's hole, man, you can just fucking go into that one thing forever. So as a day trader, you just need to know the important things that make you money. And then later on, you can figure out the reason why. Sometimes if you know the reason why too much, it fucking hurts you, man. Sometimes knowing shit too much fucking hurts you. Knowing that this company is a piece of shit, for instance, that's going to need money, it's going to hurt you because you're fucking shorting shit early because you know it's a fucking piece of shit. You see what I'm saying? Sometimes knowing too much and not being able to fucking understand that, hey, man, it's a game. They need money, so of course they're going to pump this shit up. No fucking shit. So just hold out on it. And there's a lot of money to be made on the backside. So tomorrow this shit's a lot of money on the backside. Tomorrow all this shit. So, don't be a hero catching shit on the front side and try to, be a top ticker. Sometimes the best trade is to cut the loss. A better trade would have been not even entering during the zombie hour. If I didn't enter, you don't have to go long. Just don't fucking enter. If you recognize now, so now we have a new thing that I think no one has, which is identifying zombies. So that's kind of cool, right? So we as a community now just formulated a new strategy that other people are probably going to copy now. It's a zombie strategy, right? So we have trades in the morning, and now we have the zombie that wakes up. And today we have 2 zombies. I don't want to tell you this shit because I don't fucking know. I don't want you to fucking chase this shit. I don't want you to fucking chase it and fucking die and say, see, fucking no zombie. You learn to fucking figure out which ones are zombie. These are the candies, obviously. I don't know which one is going to run or not. We don't know, but play accordingly. Joshua, yeah, that's exactly what we did. We if you came late, the question is, there's a big ass wall of 370. They shorted 369 and step loss 371. That's exactly what I did. I saw 370 is a few shit. I shorted 369. When 370 broke, I covered it all. 371. Saved my fucking ass. If I didn't cover 371, fuck, dude, I would keep adding to them. Fucking lost forever, man. What's the crucial lines, man? Charts. I base my conviction around charts, front side and back side. I'm not here to hold long enough. Other people like Amp, that guy's good. Amp, the guy in the room, he swings, and I trust him. So if you want to learn, I just blew up his fucking PM. Good. As long as you don't PM me, I don't reply to PMs. It'll take me a long time. So ask the other mentors. Cool, guys. I'll let you guys go back. This is probably the longest recap, but it's a very important recap. So, uh, good luck, guys. We will be back tomorrow. So, be careful. Stay safe.